I will explain my part of our project. I worked on two main services, the AI service and the payment service. First, our system is built using Docker and microservices. That means each part of the system runs separately, like AI, appointments, payments, and authentication. This makes the system easy to manage and scale. Now let me start with the AI service. This service help users to understand their health condition based on their symptoms. Uh, Now I will show you how it works. In here, the patients can enter their symptoms into the system. Now in let me input the symptom. In here, we should enter the age of the patient. In here, we have to enter the duration of the symptom. Now the system will predict the disease and show in here, and the system will recommend the specialist for the patients. In here, at my microservice, I use Python for this service, and my second service is payment service. In here, patients can pay payment using our system by Apple Pay and from their credit cards or Visa cards. When a user make an appointment, the bill was created automatically and goes to the doctor. And when the doctor accept the appointment, it will display in here. The patient can select the payment and make the payment using here. Here we can select how we pay. We can pay by using Apple Pay and credit card. Now this is my payment service. In here, this is my payment service microservice. Payment service in the backend code. Now the Chatura will explain the other microservices in our system.
Thank you, Bineth. Okay, let me share my screen now. Okay. In my Medicare Spring Boot project, I was mainly responsible for the UI service, which represent the front end of the entire system. I developed all the key user interface pages using a modern web framework called React.js, focusing on providing a clean, responsive, and user-friendly experience for both patients and doctors. As you can see, I have created a very smooth front end for the system, and this includes the landing page, login, and the registration pages and role-based dashboards. So each dashboard was designed according to the user type. For example, patients can access features like booking appointments, viewing doctors, and using the symptom checker interface, while doctors have their own dashboard to manage appointments and patient-related information. If I show you the code, this is the code. So I have used the React.js, and that React.js container is run on Docker. Here you can see. Okay, now let's move to the backend part. I also work on the user management service, where my primary role was the admin module of the system. So as an admin, I implement functionalities to manage and control the entire platform efficiently. One of the key features I developed is the doctor verification process. Okay, let me show it. We need to log in as the admin. So we need to credentials. Okay, after we can sign into the admin dashboard. Okay, this is the admin portal. Okay, here, one of the key features developed is the doctor verification process. Okay, here, when a doctor registered in the system, their account does not became active immediately. Instead, the admin review the request and either accept or verifies the doctor, ensuring only trusted medical professionals are allowed to use the platform. Okay, there are 3 doctors here. Let's say I need to approve his. Okay, that doctor has been approved. Like that, in addition to that, I implemented user management features where the admin has the ability to remove or deactivate users from the system if needed. Let's say we have user management, and here we can see all the users in the system. And let's say if we need to remove this dilshan@gmail.com patient. Okay, if I click the remove button, or that user will be removed. Okay, the user has been removed. This helps maintain system security and proper usage of the platform. And I also develop monitoring features for the admin dashboard where the admin can view the overall platform status, such as active users, system activity, and service health indicators. Okay, let me show that. This is the platform status. In there, we can check the system health, and also another important part of my contribution is payment monitoring. We can here see all the payment with their dates and the details, also the time. Admin can track payment status to ensure transactions are properly recorded and managed within the system. Finally, I included a report generation feature, which always the admin to access reports related to the patient and the system usage. Okay, here in the user management system section, we can get the patient details as a report. Let's say this patient. Okay, if I need to download the whole entire details of this patient, we can download it. All details are here. Okay, this helps in analyzing data and making better decisions for improving the platform. Overall, the user management services ensures that the system remains secure, well organized, and properly controlled from an administrative point of view. So for the as technologies, we have used JWT authentication for the Spring Boot, and also we have used Kubernetes and the Docker for the packaging and containerization. That's all. And now I'm going to hand over this to Malkini.
I'm going to demonstrating how a patient can seamlessly manage their healthcare using our system, focusing on patient and appointment services. So, this is my dashboard.
I think Malkini has to change, share his screen.
Can't you see my screen?
Still no. Still we can't see your dashboard. Now okay.
So, I'm demonstrating how a patient can seamlessly manage their healthcare using our system, focusing on patient and appointment services. So a patient can sign into our system using an email and password. And after signing to the system, uh, he or she can go to their managed profile and report. And this dashboard is their profile. So let's start from a patient perspective. Once the user logs in, they are presented with the dashboard. Uh, and now I'm navigating to patient profile section where user can store and manage their personal uh, medical information like patient name, gender, date of birth, like this, and he or she can save their profile. Or if they are having medical reports to upload from here, they can upload it and upload the report. And uh, this is the patient portal, and also now I will move to the appointment service, which is a core feature of the system. Uh, Here, patients can select verified doctors, and also I'm selecting a time slot and creating an appointment. As you can see, when we create the appointment, it is showing in here. The appointment appears with an awaiting approval status. This ensures that doctors have control over their schedule and prevent conflicts. Uh, the system follows a structured workflow starting from the request, then approval, and finally confirmation. This improves coordination and reliability. Um, and when I moving to my code part, uh, this is the appointment service uh, part, and also this is the part that controls the patients. So now I'm moving to Tilu to continue.
In our project, I contribute mainly to two core services. There are doctor service and telemedicine service. Both of them are essential for enabling doctor and patient interaction within the platform. First, we can create doctor from this. We can add email. We can add password from here. Then continue. Okay, here is the doctor profile, and we can go to the dashboard from this and notification. Then we can add doctor name from here, register number, and the specialization, and then save. Okay, and we can add availability of the doctor. Okay, now sign out from the doctor, and I sign in as a admin. Then as admin, I can accept doctor verification request. Then sign out from the admin and go to the I can go to the doctor profile. Okay. Here is the Dr. Amali. I added. Then sign out from the doctor and log in as a patient for make an appointment. Okay. I can create appointment from within this. I select previously I added doctor and select time slot and then create appointment. So sign out from patient and again login as a doctor. Then I need to accept patient's appointment request as a doctor. Then sign out from this and login as patient again. So from here, after doctor approving appointment, patient can go through payment method. We can add our card payments through this, and we can patient can contact with doctor using joint video. This one. So thank you.